See what the partners are doing, particularly the seeds organization is doing. In a way, it is very simple, but it's also very concrete and very effective, because as I mentioned already, most of this mining people, the workers, they are migrant families, and they come there from the nearby districts where it is drought and agriculture has failed, so they are forced to move to here in search of work. They come here, and after coming, like they settle down in small little huts which are just plastic sheets, and they come with their children. The children were already in school, they were studying in 4th standard, 5th standard, 6th standard, but here in this region there is nothing, there is no school. So the children also sort of naturally start working with them, helping them out and so on. So on one mining site you could probably have, let's say, a couple of hundreds of families, and maybe as many children as the number of families or even more. What the partner is doing, going and talking to them and telling them, talking to them about the children and their future, and convincing them that the children should get educated, they should go to schools. And there are no schools immediately. So initially they set up something called a tent school, in the project areas near the mines and so on. They sometimes are even able to talk to, let's say, the mine contractors and say that, okay, mining is going on, at least the children should be looked after and so on. So children are attracted to these tent schools. They are from the age group of 5 to maybe 14 or 15, and they come. Initially they are reluctant, not interested, but eventually somehow with a lot of creative activities and so on, they sort of are able to develop interest in the children and also convince the parents. After some months in these tent schools, not all but many of the children are moved to a kind of what we call a bridge school, which is a residential center where these 40-50 children live there, and they have an intensive course according to their age. If they are ready for 5th or 6th standard, or if they are ready for the 2nd or 3rd standard, they are prepared for those classes, those standards in school over this period of 6 months. And then they are brought into mainstream schools, and they pursue their education, and sometimes they need support. That support is provided and so on. And meanwhile, because of the work of awareness among the parents, they are quite convinced. So seeds have been able to bring more than 1,000 children into school over the last couple of years.